So I think we can start the inauguration.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. M. Parvati, coordinator for this 5 days FDP program, conducting on machine learning applications in micro nano VLSI technologies, organizing by EC Department of PVR at Hyderabad, College of Engineering for Women, belongs to Sri Vishnu Education Society. I will start the session with a warm welcoming note by inviting the dignitaries present over here. Then a brief description on the FDP program, followed by introduction of faculty coordinators who are going to engage this program along with me. First and foremost, I'm glad to invite respected chief guest for today's function, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director in All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE Government of India, who accepted our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. And I am delighted to invite our beloved leader, role model, the head of the institution, Dr. KVN Sunita Garu, for preceding the inauguration event for today. Now I'm glad to invite our Vice Principal, Dr. C.S. Sunil Garu, the Professor in charge academics, Dr. J. Nagavishnu Garu, heads of all the department, dear faculty, colleagues, and my dear participants. A warm welcome to all for the inaugural function of the FDP conducting over here. First and foremost, thanks to AICTE for improving our FTP, and also we should appreciate the efforts of AICTE for adult training and learning programs and running successfully since 2 years. Now, a small brief about our institution. PVRIT Hyderabad, College of Engineering for Women, runs exams in CSE, AIML, EEE, EC, and IT with an intake of 540 and PG program in MTech with specialization data sciences. The college is accredited by NPA and NAC with grade A in 2020. College is ranked 189 by NIRF 2020 and also ranked in Band B by ARIIA 2020. These are some of the pics of our college that you are seeing. Now let me brief about the FDP. It consists of total 14 sessions, which within the 5-day program. Each session is of 1.5 hour duration. The first 2 days of FDP sessions are planned such that they cover the content of VLSI with current trends in micro nanotech. The next 3 days followed by ML applications in VLSI domain. The participants can utilize the sessions for learning various VLSI domain tools in hands-on sessions. The session experts are from various reputed institutes and from industry as well. Each expert brief will be introduced at the time of respective session. Finally, regarding participants, I appreciate the enthusiasm of participants by seeing the overwhelming response with full registrations within the short span of the day of the brochure placed in the portal. Most of the participants have registered from Tamil Nadu, followed by Telugu couple states, and rest from Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat. Once again, I welcome all the participants to join the FDP to make grand success. Now, it's time to introduce my fellow coordinators, Mrs. Sridevi, Associate Professor of ECE, Mr. Rajesh, Associate Professor of ECE, and Mrs. Brunda, Assistant Professor of ECE, who helped a lot in all the ways in bringing out this FDP area. With this, I may conclude for now, and I request our head of the department to address the gathering by briefing about the department. Before that, I request Ms. Brunda to introduce the head of the department.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, Principal Madam. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Brunda Devi. Now I am introducing the in-charge HOD. Mrs. M. Pravina is the in-charge HOD of our department. She completed her BTech in ECE in Gudlavalleru Engineering College and MTech from VNR VJIT in VLSI and Embedded System D. She is doing PhD from JTU Hyderabad in the area of VLSI. She has more than 15 years of teaching experience at UG and PG levels. She published good number of papers in reputed journals. Her areas of interest are VLSI, low VLSI, and image processing. I request Mrs. Praveena Madam to speak out few words.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Brunda Madam. Beloved Principal Ma'am, Dr. KVN Sunita, Vice Principal, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Professor in charge Academics, Dr. J. Nagavishnuvardhan, today's Chief Guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director, Atal Academy Cell, HODs of all the departments, and all the academicians present here. Once again, a very warm welcome to the Faculty Development Program on Machine Learning Applications in Micro Nano VLSI Technologies. This is the first Atal FDP sanction to the department, and I would like to congratulate Dr. Parvati and her team for putting in their best efforts towards organizing this program. Before proceeding with department introduction, let me share the vision and mission of the department. So our vision has been to emerge as a center of academic and research excellence in electronics and communication engineering and create globally competent women technocrats with a high degree of social consciousness in holistic learning environment. So we have been moving towards this vision by training students in latest technologies as per industrial needs and also encouraging them to do innovative projects and publish their works in reputed journals and conferences. And also through the assistive technology lab, which we have in the college, we are making students realize what are the real life problems faced by differently abled people, and we are and they have been developing good products to help them out. So department offers a UG program in electronics and communication engineering with an intake of 120 students. We are accredited by NBA for 3 years in 2018 and recently got an extension for 1 more year. Department has well experienced faculty in diversified areas with 5 PhDs. Department has around 60 plus lakhs worth funded projects and the faculty has filed 4 patents. Department has unique laboratories to encourage students to develop prototypes to participate in various international and national hackathons and events. Department also offers various industrial training and mentorship programs. Department has already conducted FDPs earlier in the areas of VLSI, communications in association with Qualcomm, and also on Tinkercad and online laboratory platform. The aim of any FDP is to enrich the knowledge of faculty through interaction with eminent personalities from industries and academics. I hope that the knowledge sharing in this FDP will also greatly help the participants to develop technically and also in their research, and this will in turn improve the teaching learning process to the students and also benefit the society. On behalf of the department and college, I greatly thank Atal Academy and AICTE for granting the FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveena Madam. Over to Parvati Madam.
Thank you, madam. And I request now for the opening remarks by Dr. J. Nagavishnuvardhan, Professor in charge Academics, DVRT Hyderabad. And before that, I request Rajesh sir to introduce him.
Myself, P. Rajesh Kumar. It's my honor and privilege to introduce Professor Dr. J. Nagavishnuvardhan. He received his doctorate from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad in signal processing. He has 17 years of teaching experience. He is the founder and former head of the department ECE. Presently, he is the professor academics and in charge for NIRF, IIC, MHRD, IRIIA in BVRT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women. He mentored a project XWISE, which won Inspirational Award at Smart India Hackathon in 2017. He is one of the inspirational and motivating person for faculty and students in BVRT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women. Now I welcome Vishnu sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, Rajesh. Respected Principal Madam, Dr. KVN Sunita Garu, today's Chief Guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garu, Assistant Director, Atal Academy Cell, Keynote Speaker, Dr. Sandeep Singh, Professor and HOD, NITTR Chandigarh, Vice Principal, Dr. CH Sunil Kumar Garu, HODs of various departments, invited dignitaries, and fellow participants. A very good morning to one and all, and a warm welcome to the Atal FDP on Micro VLSI machine learning applications in micro VLSI nanotechnologies. This 5-day FDP will surely benefit the participants in not only updating their skill, but also in their research work. Nowadays, machine learning is the new technology where it is used in various applications. Being the faculty of ECE, embedding the machine learning with the concepts of VLSI is a great thing, and this FDP will surely benefit the participants in a great way. I sincerely thank the Atal Academy for granting this FDP, and I thank the principal madam, the management for their continuous support and encouragement in conducting any event in the college. I greatly appreciate the coordinator, Dr. M. Parvati, Rajesh, Sri Devi madam and Brunda Devi madam for taking this initiation and conducting this FDP. I thank once again to all the dignitaries and participants and a warm welcome to this 5-day FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now I request our principal madam, Dr. KVN Sunita, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Parvati. Knowledge is enlightenment. As an academicians, it is our responsibility to sharpen, chisel, and enhance the knowledge spectrum every day. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Gar, and faculty from various organizations, and my dear faculty. Good morning, all of you. My hearty welcome to this 5 days AICTE Atal FDP on machine learning applications in micro nano VLSI technologies, organized by ECE Department, BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women. I feel this Atal FDP by AICTE is a great initiative, helping the faculty fraternity to update their skills. I think today 1,000 FDPs are inaugurated. Out of 1,000, we are very glad that we are in the list. I sincerely thank the core team of AICTE Atal Academy, the director, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, assistant director, Dr. Giridhari Lal Gar, for giving us an opportunity to host this FDP at BVRIT Hyderabad. We are very glad that Assistant Director Dr. Giridhari Lalji is with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion. To brief about my college, BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women is the youngest college under Sri Vishnu Educational Society, started in 2012. As a founder principal, I feel very proud to state that so far 5 batches graduated with a graduation rate of 96%. Out of the 5 batches, we have received 2 university gold medals for 2 consecutive years, 2017 and 18. The moment the first 2 batches are graduated, we have applied for NBA, and successfully all the programs are accredited by NBA in 2018 itself. This year, we have actually applied for renewal because of the pandemic. NBA extension is given for 1 more year. And the institution is even NAAC accredited with the A grade, scoring 3.23 out of 4 marks. I'm so happy to share with you all. We are recognized and listed by AICTE for the best practices in 2018. I'm even very happy to share that in the MHRD NIRF ranking, we have scored a rank of 147 in the year 2019 and 199 in the year 2020. So glad to say that being private affiliated women engineering college, for the past 2 years, we were there in the band of 200. All this we could do because of lot of innovative practices. We could start from the very first batch. So as a founder principal, always I feel that the transformation or the culture that is built in the college is really helped the student to grab many opportunities. To share the unique opportunities, we have actually a faculty learning center by name Vedic, Vishnu Educational Development and Innovation Center. We have a campus in Hyderabad as well as a residential campus even in Bangalore also, wherein faculty are groomed for pedagogical skills, best teaching practices and learning practices. It's not only for the faculty, even for the students also, we do conduct a lot of training programs, like how to identify their inner strength, how to come out of the negativity, how they can perform better. This Vedic is actually grooming the students and faculty for better learners and better teachers. We have other unique program by name WISE, Women in Software Engineering, which is to make the students confident, competent, and industry ready. Actually, this program runs along with the regular curriculum, starting from first year to third year, wherein we have 6 theory modules and 3 project modules. This we conduct in collaboration with a NMDC company, Talent Sprint. And this program actually costs a lot, but we offer totally free of cost to the student. We don't charge single pie from the students. We have to inculcate the entrepreneur skills. We have a very good EDC cell by name Visa, Vishnu Startup Accelerator for Women. Glad to share that recently we are recognized even by MSME for business incubation. We have even another unique lab called Assistive Technology Lab, wherein we encourage the students to develop applications for specially challenged people. We have a very strong placement cell. We have the placement offices at Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, as well as Baroda also. They always help the students in getting a lot of internships and placements. We are the first college to start the concept of mentorship with topmost giants with the very first batch starting from 2013 itself. We have the mentorship programs offered from Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, Qualcomm, Novartis, and EPAM. I'm very glad to share that to improve the communication and leadership among the skills among the students. We have a very strong Toastmaster club, which has got a lot of recognition, even in the Toastmaster International also. We do encourage the students to go with foreign language training in French as well as German. We have a unique cell called GSAC, Global Student Education Cell, wherein we actually help the student in getting the admission in the right university. We have MOUs with the University of Bolton, University of Binghamton, and also CNB from Canada. So all these actually helped us to get the best placements. To share with you the placements, today we have the students placed in almost all the topmost companies like Qualcomm, Xilinx, Amazon, Salesforce, Adobe, etc. Just to give the latest placement statistics, for the intake of 360, the number of job offers are 523 and 262 students successfully placed in different companies. Highest package this year be 27 lakhs. So as a founder principal, I feel I'm very honored to do all this with the help of committed faculty and students. Coming to the FDP, I think the theme of the FDP is very interesting. Everybody are talking about machine learning now. So machine learning with VLSI, hope this can be taken as an interdisciplinary. Very glad to note that within 2 to 3 days of releasing the brochure, there is tremendous response. We could cut down the numbers only to 200. Faculty from different states are participating in this workshop. I really appreciate the enthusiasm of all the faculty participating in this workshop. I'm sure definitely you are going to benefit out of this workshop. We have invited excellent, eminent speakers from different universities. Special thanks to the speaker from even Nishant from Google, Massachusetts. In spite of different time regions also, he has agreed even to give a session. All the best to all the participants. Before I conclude, I take this opportunity to congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Parvati, and her team, especially the in-charge HOD. The HOD is little not well. That's the reason the in-charge HOD has taken the complete responsibility of taking care of the thing. Dr. Praveena and academic professor Vishnuvardhan and the team for taking care of the complete organization of the workshop. Once again, I thank Girdhar Lalji for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. All the best to all the participants. Over to you, Parvati.
Yes, ma'am. The success story just now you heard behind the success story, the role model, the leader, and what not to say. There are no words to praise our Madam Dr. KVN Sunita. I am privileged to brief her about a little bit on this occasion.
Parvati, it's okay.
Ma-
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Dr. KVN Sunita Madam, who is the founder principal, did her BTech EC, MTech CSC, and PhD in CSC. She has 29 years of teaching experience. She received Academic Excellence Award by G. Narayanam Institute of Technology and Technology and Science in 2005. Best Computer Science Engineering Teacher Award for the year 2007 by ISTE in 2008. Distinguished Principal Award by CSI Mumbai in 2017, IIT Bombay. Engineering of the Year 2019 Award by Institution of Engineers Telangana in 2019 and Best Engineering College Principal in Telangana State Award for the year 2019 by ISTE. She was felicitated for outstanding contribution and achievements in the field of engineering in Women Engineers Meet held on 29th Indian Engineering Congress by Institute of Engineers IEI in 2014. She was invited by AICTE as NBA expert evaluator. She has authored 5 textbooks. She has guided 11 PhDs in computer science. She received a research grant of 40 lakhs. She has published more than 170 papers in international and national journals and conferences. She is a reviewer for many national and international journals. She is fellow of Institute of Engineers and IITE, senior member for the IEEE and International Association CSIT, and life member of many technical associations like CSI and ACM. She is a pillar of building BYIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women to one of the best colleges in the state of Telangana. Really, we proud of working under the Madam guidance and working with the BYIT group as a whole family. Thank you, Madam, for addressing the gathering. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Now, eagerly waiting for the moment for addressing by our chief guest, today's chief guest, Dr. Giridhari Lalgar. Sir, kindly address the gathering, sir. I request to address. And at the same time, I'm going to give a brief about him. Dr. Giridhari Lalgar is a very diverse, fun-loving and motivational personality. He did his PhD in evaluation of stress management in prison inmates from Kota University in the year 2016. He did his MBA from College of Telangana, College of Technology and Engineering, KT University, Udaipur, CTAE. He is currently working as Assistant Director in All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, Government of India. Previously, he served in the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Rajasthan till 1998. He inspired the holiness of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji, a renowned personality for meditation. Under the guidance of His Holiness, Dr. Giridhari Lal have started dispersing voluntarily the supreme knowledge since 2000. In the due course, he has worked for several years in the remote villages areas for upliftment of needy people in all the walks of life. He has also indulged himself for reformation of jail inmates and served as a prison smart state coordinator for more than a decade. His hard work and dedication has reformed more than 1,000 inmates. He has also served as the Youth Leadership Training Program YLTP coordinator at the Art of Living from 2000 to 2010. And is currently teaching happiness, rural happiness, and many more to contribute to the society. Really, we are glad to have Sir on this occasion, and I request you to give your valuable input to the participants present over here, Sir.
Thank you, Parvati ma'am. I'm here due to Parvati ma'am actually. Really, she's a strong follow of lady. Today we are already inaugural, total common inaugural is there. So we are preparing a lot of things, but continuously Parvati ma'am is following all these things, And today is International Yoga Day. I salute to all Nari Shakti. I pronounce to all the Nari Shakti. And Karmashu Kausalam. Action, skill in action. First of all, I congratulate to your institution actually, ma'am. It is not you are the most premier institute among them actually. In March we called proposals. More than 5,000 proposals we got. More than 5,000. We are one of them. All are premier institutes. We have funded more than 1, 3, 4, 5 right now. almost more than 1,300 proposals we have sanctioned all over India. Tough scrutiny is there, very tough scrutiny. All IIT directors and all IIMs director is in scrutiny committee. You are one of the best institutions, I'm telling you. You should, every participants feel proud. Okay, he or she is taking training in these institutions. And the way, ma'am, your team is working and you are working, ma'am. We salute you. Everything I'm listening about you and your college from 2012 to 2021. It is not. It is very small period for education academicians. Very small period, but you have done lot. Well, I'm feeling just my oxytocin hormone is releasing actually. I'm feeling good. Huh? So much you have done. So much you have done. Your team is done. I salute to everyone. Really, well, it is not an easy job. It is not an easy job. Sometimes I used to call in when you are Priyadarshi, lovable to all the persons, and Samdarshi, equanimous, and Durdarshi, foresight and net. And sometimes then you can work when you are transparent, when really you are devoting, you are contributing now. Then you can. I used to say in my journal words, ma'am, last year, it is a very small, Atal Academy is a very small baby actually. We start from 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, and 21, 20. We started 18, 19 is almost 10 programs. 19, 20, 200 programs. Face-to-face program was there actually. But March 20, lockdown is, 26 March lockdown is there. We think how we can do it. Pilot we have done only 84 projects. We got a good response, very good response. And we last year we have 948 programs we have done. We come in World Book of Record. World Book of Record have recognized us that you are doing wonderful jobs. Sir. We don't know. We are doing the works, but we don't know. More than 1.5 lakh faculty have trained in almost trust areas, just like the machine learning and all these things, AI, IoT, cybersecurity, blockchain, 3D printing, AR, VR, cybersecurity, all these, whichever is emerging areas. So things are happening. We are not doing anything due to the your institution, like institution, your coordinators. Why we are so famous due to the coordinators only. Honestly, coordinators have done a lot hard work for the programs, and almost, if you will see now, more than 10 to 12 states will be there. Pan India program. Some faculty program is more than 25 states is there. More than 100 institution is there. If you will find out the statistics of the participants, and so you will see more than 100 institution is in your programs. And you are telling some Google person is coming. Now, face to face, it is not easy to call. But in online, there is some drawback, and blended learning is needed. Not only online, but blended learning is needed. But due to the COVID issue or something, we are calling. Last year, we have more than 7,000 experts. 2,000 experts from abroad. 2,000 from CDEC, BARC, DRDO, ISC, IIT, IIMs, and almost experts from 25 countries. But not easy in face-to-face program, but very easy to call in online programs. And almost 40% people participate in these programs. It is basically this cash, they need certificate for cash. But sometimes a lot of problem due to the constraint of family and all these things, they can't go. So things happen, honestly. And Northeast, 93% of districts are covered in India. 93% of districts. So ma'am, it's a really wonderful thing. And Rajesh sir and Naga Vishnu ma'am, your name is very good. Vishnu is, I love Vishnu actually. Just मैं एक कॉल लेता हूँ सोनी सर का call, एक सेकंड. Sorry, a lot of work is going on. Yoga Day is there, and 54 program common inaugural is there. So our higher ups, competent authority would like to join. Just I'm telling you. So feel proud. Your institution is getting, premier institute in the India. I'm telling you. That's why it is getting Atal. First time AICT approached the out of the box. I'm telling the figure of that. Almost lot of IIMs have participated. 11 IIM is participating in this program. 11 IIMs, and 68 programs from IITs, 53 from triple IITs, and more than 100 is NIT, Central University, Tech University, and a lot of CDEC, DRDO, National Stock Exchange, BSNL, MSME. First time. Generally, we used to fund for the AICT approved colleges. For first time for the faculty development programs, we have done the AICT Training Learning Academy at all. So, Parvati ma'am, credit goes to you. Really, ma'am, you are very lucky. That type of faculty is there. That type of faculty is there. No doubt that you are.
Thank you so much.
Love and respect by the faculty for you. I'm telling it. That's why they are working.
Thank you,
When
sir. Thank
faculty
you.
love the leader, work happen automatically. Agree or not, ma'am? When
Thank you, sir.
power of love, I'm telling you, it is power of love. When students love our faculty, and faculty love the institution head, things happen. They are not seeing the time-bound things. They are working day and nights. It is a core of the life, actually, love. When you have love, things happen automatically. And just I interact with I want to interact with the faculty and all the participants. Don't go in competition. Go in contribution. Always think how you go and contribute. If you want to go in competition, go in competition with you, only yourself. Today I have done best. Tomorrow I will do more. Don't go in competition to others. Just go in contribution. When you are contributing, you are happy. When you are in competition, you are in stress. Please go in contribution. Second, you are unique. You are number one, and you are the luckiest person in the world. I'm telling it. Feel it. Every time feel it. Tell me, आपने अपना जैसा आदमी कोई देखा है क्या इस दुनिया में? We have not seen. Let's say you are number one. उन्होंने कोई दूसरा ब्लूप्रिंट बनाया नहीं. कोई unseen force बोलो, God बोलो, whatever you call it, energy बोलो. It's the only one. You are only one. So why you are going to in competition with others? Please feel it every time. Feel it, whether it is a tough condition, whatever it is a condition. Feel it and feel pride. What you have, feel pride. What position you have, what family you have, what degree you have. Feel pride. Every time feel pride. When you are feeling pride now, people will feel pride. When you are feeling low, people will feeling low. So your energy should be high every time. When your energy high now, I'm telling you can change the aura of the environment. You can change the environment of your family. You can change the environment of students. But your energy is low, then you can't change the things. So your energy should be high. When energy will be high, when you will be happy, then energy will be high. When you will be happy, when you will put your 100% in work, whatever you are doing, either you are making a food, you are making a driving, or you are going in driving, or you are writing, or you are speaking, or you are playing, or you are teaching, how, whatever, put your 100%. Either you are angry, be 100% in angerness. Play a role. I'm telling, put your role 100%. When you are teacher, when you are teacher. When you are mother, when you are mother. When you are student, when you are student. When you are wife, your wife. When you are husband, your husband. When you are son, when you are son. Like if this, just like that role has given to you, play your 100% role. Don't mix the role. When you are mixing the role, there is a problem. Don't mix the role. When you are a principal, you are a principal. I'm telling it. You are hard principal. When you are mother, you are mother. But don't carry this role in at home or at office. Then you will enjoy. Why I'm telling, when put your 100%. When you're putting 100% now, you're in present moment. When you're in present moment, you are happy. There is the only curve. This is the only point in life. When you're putting 100%, I'm talking with you, you are feeling good. Because I'm putting my 100%, I'm talking only with you. Like when you're seeing the cricket match and all these things, player is 100%, that's why you are enjoying the game. If he's putting 90% na, you will say, अरे निकालो इसको बाहर, game खराब कर रखा है इसने. Agree or not? Put your 100%. And sign of success is a smile. Only sign of success is smile. Nobody is seeing your bank balance, nobody is seeing your post, nobody is seeing your bank loan, nobody is seeing. Only everybody is seeing your smile. When you are smiling na, I take guarantee 99% work will happen. It is my experience of the life. Sometimes things go wrong and all these things, but I smile myself or all these things. Ab pata chalega kya what is happening. Inside I smile myself. Now face then you are giving the knowledge and you are applying. You are not supplying. You are not applying to yourself. Then feel it. Then I smile myself. Things happen. Please, all the participants, whatever is conditions, now it is a very tough conditions is going on, no doubt at all. Everybody is facing some problems in family and all. But although some unseen force is there, they are supporting you. And please give respect to yourself. Respect yourself. You will respect none. You will demand for respect. If you are demanding for respect, you will not get respect. First, respect yourself. Whatever you are, whatever physical presence is there, whatever post is there, respect yourself. When you are respecting yourself, hardly matter koi respect kare ya nahi kare, koi farak nahi padta. But you are not respecting yourself, then you are demanding for it. Hardly matter. Only by the 5 to 10 seconds, you can impress by the physical appearance. Not more than 5 to 10 seconds. But maximum time we are putting on physical appearance. Please don't go on physical appearance. Some element is inside. Some element is inside. love it and respect it. And today I appreciate to all the faculty who joined. They are very lucky. Madam Sunita ma'am is there. I will feel motherly treated. And Vishnu is the basically it's a maintenance. Brahma is the creator and Shiva is the destroyer and Vishnu is the operation and maintenance. That's why God, generation, operator and destroyer, the God is there. So no issue. We are with you every time. We are with you. I'm telling it. AICT is with you. Don't feel alone, my dears. Don't feel alone. Your whole BBRIT Hyderabad is with you. Every participant, I'm telling. On the behalf of the institution, I can say, please don't feel alone. When you are feeling alone, you can call anyone. They are for you. And not last, your quality of life is dependent on the state of mind, actually. Please be aware of the state of mind. Give food to your state of mind. It is like a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum. If you are not giving good food, you will catch the bad food, actually. Every time you should be introspect yourself. Nothing else. And be natural. Now, it is my most powerful formula in life. Be natural. Be natural. जैसे आप हो वैसे अच्छे हो. Don't copy to others. You are original, actually. You are original. You are born and original. Last but not least, for the faculty and participants and all the persons, say yes every time. Say yes every time. When you are saying yes, things will happen. Nature will support you. Unseen will support you. Your conscience will be broadened. When you are saying no, your conscience will be contract. I have seen so many times due to yes, I'm here actually. I say yes to Parvati ma'am, that's why I'm here. I know I have very tight position today. I'm very tight position. But I drive from 8 o'clock. My 1 hour journey is there. I reach at 9 at my office and I hope ma'am is telling me to join it. But due to yes. Say yes every time. First say yes. If you want to say no, first say yes. Active yes, not passive yes. Don't please to persons. Yes, and work on it. If you can't do it, then say no. Then you will be innovative. I'm telling you. Things will happen. Nobody will dare to prevent you. Nobody have dare to कोई आपको रोक ही नहीं सकता जीवन में. यदि आपका yes conscious है ना, पूरा nature आपको support करने लग जाता है. I've taken a lot of time. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for calling me. And every time we are with you. And आपके जितने initiatives हैं, definitely I will go through it and how I can use for AICT. Surely I will use it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice motivation.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, sir. And your words are just like the grandparents and parents, how they say to us in the same way, very cordially, like you are very, what do you say, with intimacy, you have given so much good words, sir. Thank you so much. Now, I think we are heading to vote of thanks. Like I request Sridevi Madam to address the gathering with vote of thanks. Soon after that, we'll start the session. All the participants, please stay.
Morning, sir.
Sir, before we close, I just want to share with you, we got approval for 2 Atal FDP, sir.
Yes.
Other one is there in
Yes.
Pipali, which we are going to host in August.
Sure, ma'am. August, I will see how many program is going on. Generally, what we do, ma'am, on Monday, we used to inaugurate common inaugural.
Okay.
So our high competent authority, sometimes chairman, sometimes vice chairman, some member secretary used to come in program and some chief guests we used to call. And that's why, you know, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. August, you can share with him the date, then we will plan it.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Yeah, over to you, Sridevi.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning all. I am Sridevi, Associate Professor, BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women. It's my privilege to present vote of thanks. Presently, I would like to thank all the participants who have shown enthusiasm in registering this FDP and making it a grand success. And we hope their support throughout the session in these 5 days. And it's my gratitude and honor to give a special thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Giridhar Lal Garg sir, whose words has motivated and boosted our energy more than by 100 times. Thank you, sir. We'll be following all the things which you have suggested us. And next, it's my pleasure to express my special thanks to all the department heads, faculty colleagues, and those who have attended this program. And my thanks to management, principal ma'am, without whose support this wouldn't be possible. And last but not least, my sincere thanks to one and all who has directly and indirectly are being involved in making this event a big success. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Partha.
Dear all, unmute your videos once again so that we'll take a pic with all of the people. Everybody, please unmute your videos. All the participants, please unmute.
My request to all
see.
participants, please
Good to
smile.
see everybody have so much. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, thank you all. Thank you. So thank you to one who are
Thank
present
you,
over
thank
here
you.
for the inauguration and so we can start. I think the first session. Thank you, mom. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, mom. Thank you, sir, and all.
Thank you, Giridhar.
Thank you, Giridhar sir. We'll be in touch with you. Thank you.
Sunita ma'am, can I
Sunita
leave?
ma'am,
Can I leave for all the participants?
Okay, thank you.